In Andhra Pradesh, in the recent rains, the farming community, the number of 31.77 lakh farmers are affected because of the rains in 16.28 lakh hectares. With very good yield which was about to come, it was damaged and there was a lot of loss incurred. And because of that, 607 mandals have been notified and another 62 are in the process of being notified. There's total 669 mandals. So our request to the bankers is that the resettlement should start immediately for the loans in these 669 mandals because one, that they have to get the Rabi loans, and second is that one would request that we are getting some complaints, maybe true, maybe not true, that while rescheduling they are asking for interest. Now because interest is being waived, the request is that it need not be kindly collected because that will lead to problem to the farmers. And other thing is that the Rabi loans which have to be given should be given to the farmers even if the resettlement is not done, because as per the Kisan Credit Card guidelines also it can be done and resettlement can be done, because if he needs loan urgently for Rabi, it should be kindly given to the farmers so that he can take up the Rabi operations for this coming Rabi season. In general also, when we talk of the Rabi loans, out of a target of 8,777 crores crop loans for Rabi, around 50% has been given till now. In all the steering committee meetings, it was promised by bankers that earlier it was told by November end all the loans would be given, and now it is December end and we have come to only 50%. So request to all the bankers is that at least by January 15th, all the loans should be covered, because if it is done beyond that, then it will not be of much use to the farmers. So that may be taken over priority basis, and it may be also told to the district coordinators of the banks, and special DCC meetings may be convened again for this purpose. One is for the purpose of resettlement direction, which has already been given. Second is not to collect the interest, and third is to ensure that this Rabi loaning is done as fast as possible so that it completes by 15th of January. Then this rescheduled loans which are being done, interest waiver would be there, so that would be around approximately a figure of something like 10,000 crores which will be coming in this category. So for this, bankers will have to really get up and ensure that resettlement of loans is done for the farmers, because as compared to last year's experience of Kharif loans which was done for last year, it was around 50% only. So it is a good benefit for the farmers who have really suffered in the time of flood. So this may be taken up in a proactive manner by the banks, and these directions and instructions may kindly be given to all the farmers. They may be explained in detail about it, and we request there should be no communication gap. And sometimes it happens that at the lower level the bankers say that I have not been instructions from the coordinators. So although it might have gone from SLBC, but their banks have to give instructions. So we request that all such instructions may be given so that they can take up the resettlement on a priority basis.